Hey guys, this is Tony with Alliance Specialties in Laser Sales, and I'm back with another Motivation Monday. This week we're going to talk a little bit about challenges and the fact that nobody likes challenges. People like things when it's nice and easy and just smooth sailing all the way through. But I found that I have my most growth when I have to fight through challenges, when I have obstacles to overcome, whether that's in business or personal life. There's more story in the challenges because there's more opportunity for growth. My son and I listened to Elevation Church, and Pastor Furtick said it this way. He said, how foolish would it be to put the weights down when they got heavy and still expect results? You have to go through some difficult seasons and difficult challenges in order to get better and prove yourself. So instead of looking at those hard times or rough days as a wall, look at them as an opportunity to get over that wall, to challenge yourself, to get better, to grow, to improve, and maybe even find some joy in it. Thanks for listening, guys.